And we're gonna move on to the very first item on today's menu, and that's ham. We're gonna start with just an ordinary smoked or cured ham. All we're gonna do is cover this ham with a little cola. You can use your favorite brand, it really doesn't matter. And this is gonna make our ham very, very sweet. Now to give it a little color, I'm gonna add a pineapple to it, and it's gonna be so pretty. And I'm gonna do just a few in there. And then I'm gonna come in here and I'm gonna do the same thing with some cherries and some cloves. And before I add the cherries, I'm gonna take just a little brown sugar and pat on that pineapple, and that'll make it just a little bit sweeter, plus it'll help the pineapple brown. All right, we're gonna just secure our cherry. Isn't he looking pretty? Kind of looks really old-fashioned and old-timey, doesn't it? Now we're gonna take just a few cloves, stick those into our pineapple, and how simple. That's all we're gonna do to the ham. And we're gonna just put him in the oven. Gonna kind of cover him loosely, not real tight. So this one's ready to go in the oven. We're gonna slip him in. Oh, look. I came in and took the tinfoil off about halfway through the cooking so that this skin and the pineapples and cherries could brown. But how delicious does this sweet ham look? It's amazing what that sweet pineapple does to it. Can't hardly wait to slice it and taste it. And you'll want to be careful. You want to make sure you've got a good sharp knife, not use a dull one that might slip on you. Oh, look how good.